Welcome back to Babe's Art Class. Today I'm going to be doing some bloom flowers, some beautiful bloom flowers. I did a tray earlier that I'll show you that's still drying. I think they're really beautiful. But I'm going to do them on an 8x8 gallery wrapped canvas. I love these canvases because you don't need to use a frame and they just have a really good substantial look to them. So I already put on my pillow, which is just house paint, and I swept a few colors through it just to make the background look more interesting, a variegated type of look. Now I'm going to start putting down the bloom flowers, and so I'm going to start with, probably going to do two. I have this beautiful violet color, and these are the pearl paints that I have that are so pretty. I'm going to put down a light lavender here. I'm going to put pink over here. These are all pearl paints made by Turner, and the colors in these paints are absolutely gorgeous. I love this pearl. It's called Mint. Believe it or not, to me it looks like turquoise. And I think I'll put, oh, this is a lilac with mica powders, and you can't even really see the color, but it has like a lilac sheen to it, so I think that will look really pretty on there. And then I'm definitely going to put some gold. Maybe right around the edge. I think I'll put a little bit of this bright pink fuchsia color that I have also. Put that on one. On the other one, I'm going to put this turquoise color. Just so it's not too samey. And we'll put the cell activator, just a dot in the middle. Let that sink in for a minute. And I do see some bubbles that keep popping up, so you just want to pop those. All right, and now we'll start blowing it out. Okay, so I'm going to use my straw to blow it out a little more. Let's see, we'll tilt it a little bit. I'm not going to put this on the spinner today. I'm going to use the tilt. And I'm going to put on some little colors for leaves. I have some mint and some of this lime green. And we'll put a little gold on there too. And I'm just going to use my straw on this. When you're doing leaves, there's lots of different shades you can use. And I think I'll put in another one. Let's use a little, let's see, what color do we want to use? I'm going to use this little bit turquoisey color that I have. I have to make some more. And then some of the lime color again. Some gold. And we'll blow that out. Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of, let's see, I'm going to do a little bit of decorating. I'm going to put some stems in. And pull it way back and curve it out. And I watch Charmin Khan do her flowers, her blooms, and her beautiful decoration she does to her flowers. And so that's where I'm getting this idea from. It just adds so much interest to your piece. Gives it an energy, gives it a little bit of whimsy. And I think it's really pretty when it's done. I'm not pretending that I do nearly as well as she does, but I really enjoy doing this. It's so much fun. Let's see what else we can do here. And even in nature, there's so many tendrils and buds and stems that come out of the leaves and the flowers. Okay. This is definitely whimsical as far as I'm concerned. And very pretty. Okay, so that's it. Here it is. There's lots of shine from the pearl. All the pearl colors, and there's some metallic colors. And that didn't take long at all. And I like the background, so it's not just stark white. And so that's what we have. And if you'd like to see more of the work that I do, please subscribe and you'll be sure to see all of my videos. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.